Hi, I've got a 2020 Mustang GT, and today I wanted to make a video showing how you can jack it up with these hydraulic quick jacks that I bought to raise it up. Gets all four wheels off the ground, which is really nice. I'm used to using jacks and jack stands, but I thought this is a much better way to do it, so I bought this quick jack. And so I like to do all my own maintenance on my car, so I'm under it to change the oil and transmission fluid and stuff like that, as well as to do the brakes when they're needed. Get all four wheels off the ground is a lot easier to do the brakes, and so I bought this to make life a little easier. And I wanted to show how you use it and how high it can get it off the ground. I've never actually jacked up this car with these quick jacks, so this is the first time I'm using them for this car. And it's a pretty easy process though. So this is one side, and then I've got the other one staged here. As you can see, they have these lifting blocks you can use to get a little more height. I do have the jacking rails on this car, which I'll show you in a minute, which makes it a lot easier. I don't have to line it up so specifically because I can jack it up anywhere along those rails. But you do, I think, want to get it pretty even from side to side. This is the control unit. Just plugs into a 110 volt. You hook up these lines, and so that's what I'm going to do right now. Then you attach it here. And on the other one. And then you just slide them into place. All right, it's got this control, simple up and down. Just push the up. I just want to make contact and check where it's hitting. All right, ready to put it up. I'm going to put it all the way to the top, as far as it'll go. I let it down onto the jack stops. There you go. I'm sure I'll get quicker at this as I do it more and more often. Not bad for the first time. And I'll measure how much clearance I get under this. It's about 18 inches, 20 inches. That's good. That's perfect for an oil change, or definitely to work on the brakes. And once it's on these jack stands, it is very sturdy. Not going anywhere. And since it's on these locks, you don't have to worry about it falling. It's not being held up by the hydraulics at all. It's got that steel bar locking it in, so it's very safe. So now that I am done crawling around underneath there, lowering it is just as easy as raising it. Basically raise it up a little bit to release the locks. And then you go to each one. Flip those like that. Alright, so it can slide over it. And you take your controller and do down. And that's it. Easy. That's it. So I think this was worthwhile. I know I'll get a lot of use out of it. If you have any questions about the setup or anything like that, there are a lot of videos on YouTube about how to put these together, so I won't probably make one of those. But if you have any questions about using it, especially on a 2020 Mustang GT, just comment below. Thanks.